easy bump, pull.
Take care, 31.
Set 1,000, roll.
Maintain 170.
Set 1,000, 2, 1,000, pull. Over the top of the Humpty. Down to the vertical, set 1,000, roll. Set 1,000, pull. Next have a reverse wedge, 2 or 4 on the way up. 5, set 1,000, 2, 1,000, roll. Set 1,000, roll. 1, 2, 3, float. And bring it down to a vertical. Set 1,000, 2, 1,000, pull. Look at the other side of the box, we have an Immelman. Alright, ready for our Immelman, pull to a half loop.
Brickyard 3329, contact Washington Tower.
And we roll out on top. Four-point roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. 90-degree roller. Roll.
District 372, Potomac approach, good work.
And then we slow down, get ready for a spin. We got a 1 1/4 turn spin. All right, slowing down in the stall. And there we go. 1/2, 1 a kick, push, rudder, and pull out. Okay, we have a hammer with a 45-degree entry.
3884.
And pull to 45. Set 1,000, 2, 1,000, pull to vertical, hold it. And we wait, and there's our hammer. Pull it out. Now we got a vertical, push to a 45 down with a snap. Vertical. Wait. Now we push. 45 down. And snap.
Cactus 2021, Potomac approach, good morning.
And out. Next we're going to do, now we got a vertical line, top off inverted. Pull in vertical, set 1,000. Now we're going to pull, and we're going to stop inverted. Do a 4-point roll back to upright. 1, 2. Next we have a split S with a full roll on the bottom. Gotta wait till we get the other side of the box here. Okay. There we go. Top roll inverted, float, pull. Full roll on the bottom. Alright, now we have a full Cuban 8. There we go. On the first 45 down, we're doing a 2 or 4, so we're going to do 1 counts. Float the top. Float it down. And set 1,000. Set 1,000. Set 1,000. Going right back into the other one.
X1671.
Coming over the top. And we set 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, roll. Set 1,000, 2, 1,000, pull. And we're done. And that's the end of the sequence. Swing wide.